How to add colorful background to your Facebook posts or the patrons. My name is Shahid and today I will tell you how to do it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, open your Facebook application. When you open your Facebook application, at the top you will find the option what's on your mind. Just click on what's on your mind and here you can write down anything. I will write down masterclass for you. So when you write down that, here at the bottom is you can see there are many patterns and options where you can change. You can even do it like a plain white again, and you can change it to the colorful background like this. So when you tap on each and every one is different. If you want to have more options, you want to see more options, just click on the menu at the right, as you can see. So once you click on the menu here, you can see popular. So you can find some popular new one more. There are many options that you can select, and you can make your post more colorful, more attractive by this way. And once you select one, the next thing is that just click on the post and your post will be posted with the colorful background. So guys, I hope you like the video and you can make your post more interesting by using these backgrounds and patterns. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel for more informative video. Please stay tuned. Till then, bye bye. Take care.